transfer in Current usually fails when the bank connection breaks, the debit card is restricted, or the app blocks the transaction due to security or account verification issues. By the end, you'll know exactly why your current transfer is failing, and the exact steps to fix it, so your money goes through without errors. Start with your account status. Current can restrict transfers if your account has any pending verification or recent security flags. This can happen after logging in from a new device, changing passwords, or updating account details. Checking your profile for any alerts or prompts is the first step. Next, check your linked bank or debit card. If the card or bank connection is expired, removed, or not fully verified, transfers will fail immediately. Removing the payment method and adding it back cleanly forces a fresh connection and often fixes hidden sync issues. Now look at available balance versus total balance. Transfers can fail if you're trying to move funds that are not fully available yet. Pending holds or recent transactions can reduce what you can actually send even if your balance looks correct at first glance. Another issue is transfer method mismatch. Current supports different types of transfers depending on how the money is being sent. If you're using a method that doesn't match your account setup or limits, the transfer can be rejected before processing starts. Switching the transfer type inside the app can resolve this. Now consider app or system errors. Outdated versions of the current app or corrupted cache data can interrupt transactions. Updating the app or reinstalling it resets the system and removes hidden errors that affect transfers. Also check for security blocks. If the system detects unusual activity like repeated failed transfers, new device logins, or rapid changes to account settings, it may temporarily block transfers for protection. These blocks usually clear after a short waiting period. Here's the simple breakdown. Current transfer failures usually come from account verification issues, broken bank or card connections, insufficient available funds, transfer method mismatches, app glitches, or temporary security restrictions. Do this next. First, check for any alerts inside your account. Then remove and reconnect your bank or card. After that, confirm your available balance and try a different transfer method if needed. Finally, update or reinstall the app and restart your phone. If it still fails, wait a few hours because security or system blocks can lift automatically once activity stabilizes. Most current transfer issues are fixed once the connection and account status are refreshed properly.